first thing we're going to do is get rid of all the yesterday's burnings from the course that was yesterday. We're just going to pull out the good stuff. This half-burned coal is called coke, and it's actually what we want to help light the fire. It's sort of like the kindling. And we want to pull out stuff like this, which is called clinker, which is a piece of metal burned off and impurities in the coal that doesn't burn any longer. So we're going to get rid of that and then get rid of all the other garbage in there. The ash, of course, doesn't burn, so we want to get rid of the ash. Throw it out of there like that. And then what we're going to do is take some newspaper. Good black and white newspaper is best. And then we're going to make a paper mushroom ball, if you will, to help ignite the coke from yesterday's fire. And then we're just going to use a good old matches, just like they did in the old days. Get the paper lit. Get a draft started up the chimney. It drafts very well. There's no exhaust fans or anything like that. This is just all natural draft. And then we'll take some of the coke, pile it on top. And then we're going to turn on the power. Fire. The more you push into the fire, the hotter the fire will get. Very quickly this will change from its current temperature, which is the same temperature in the forge, up to 2800 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's up to enough heat, the forge is hot enough to turn a piece of steel into liquid very quickly. The melting temperature of the steel that we use most of the time is 2450 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you leave it in too long, it's just like a marshmallow on the top of a fire. It will just turn to liquid and melt into the fire, just like a marshmallow will, except that it's steel. With a fresh coal on top.